Hi, I'm Harvey, and welcome to WhyNotDiY. Today I'd like to show you how to make this wall art made entirely out of cardboard. So for this project you will need cardboard, scissors, cutter, tape measure, marker, straight edge, glue and glue gun, strings, sponge, and a paint of your choice. Let's begin this project by cutting the cardboard to the size of your choice. You would want it to be as proportionate as possible, so let's start by getting your marker and straight edge to draw a straight line on one side. This will set as your guideline for the other measurement. Now take your tape measure and make measurements on each point. Just be sure to measure straight. Then draw a straight line following the points you've made. Now do the same on the upper and lower portion of the board. Draw a straight line on top and measure your desired length on the bottom. After we've drawn the lines, pick your cutter and let's proceed with the cutting of the board. Now let's proceed by making a hooking system for our wall art. Start by getting your scissors and string. Now cut the string about 6 of an inch. I suggest to double the string just to make sure it will support the weight of the cardboard. Then cut 2 small pieces of cardboard. This is where our strings will be glued at. Now get your glue gun and make sure it's hot enough. Now glue one end of the string to the piece of cardboard. And do the same on the other. Then flip the pieces and glue them on the cardboard. Don't be afraid to give it a generous amount of glue just to be sure. After this point, it will completely be up to you. But here's how I did mine. I used my spare flat black latex paint to paint all over the surface black. If you'll be spraying like me, do this in a well-ventilated space. And don't forget to use a mask to cover your nose. And also, if you'll be spraying on the ground, use something to cover the ground to avoid unnecessary stains. Now that the preparation's done, let's start Be an Artist. After you're satisfied with the result, hang your art with pride. And there you have it, your very own wall art made out of cardboard. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more Why Not DIY.